how to make one single name on Facebook. So if you want to make one single name on your Facebook account, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. So you can go for your upper right side, which has that three dot icon, and then you can go for settings and privacy, and then again go for settings and go for account center, and here you can choose profiles, and under profile you can choose your Facebook profile. And once you've choose your Facebook, and under your profile you will have name option, right? Tap on name, and here you will have your first name and your last name. So if you simply remove the last name, then you won't have an option to save that name, because on Facebook you must enter the first and last name. You can't have one word name on Facebook or one single name on Facebook. So even after that, if you still would like to have one single name, then what you can do is simply have the first name, and then under the last name you can simply add a symbol, any symbol. For example, you can add a dot or anything, and then you can tap on review change and your name will be changed. So that's how you can make one single name on Facebook. That's the alternative way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.